What's up, YaK-off? This is Paul. I'm going to be fishing today right behind Cosway Bait and Tackle. I'm going to be using live shrimp and crab today. So I'm going to go inside here, inside the store, pick up some good live bait. Let's go check them out. Bait ready, I'm ready, kayak ready, right next to Cosway. Alright, we're at the first spot, right next to these channel markers. Gonna throw into the channel, work the bait back up, so we can get into some good fish. Live shrimp, baby. The wind's blowing from the south-southeast pretty good, 10, 15. So the current is going with it. Pop the head off, run the shrimp straight through so you hide your hook. And when something eats it, it's going to swallow the whole thing. Your hook's going to be in its mouth. I use a circle hook so it won't hook them in the throat, so you can catch and release safely in case it's the undersize. Gotta go. I think they got me for my bait. Man, that was a good hit. I like sitting sideways on the kayak. Helps me keep balance a little bit better than sitting straight up and down. Alright, one more shrimp in this area. If I don't catch a fish, I'm moving. You can have the best bait in the world if there's no fish in here. Still ain't gonna catch nothing. Fresh dead shrimp. Stick your thumb under the head there. There's a little slot. And real easy, just pop it off. So now all you got is your shrimp tail. You can eat it. Or, I mean, it's probably not bad. Fresh dead shrimp, right? Thread it again, launch it. Alright, no fish here, let's get out of here. Somewhere else. I'm on the edge of the corner of a channel. I'm going to throw it to the channel, kind of work back up, see if I can catch any drum, redfish. Maybe there's some trout laying there on the edge. Come up and hit the bait. See if we can get some good luck here. Been here 15-20 minutes, no fish. What a new spot. Alright, I got to my new spot, and as you can see, the wind has really picked up here. Now it's blowing 20-25 miles an hour. And as most fishermen know, in bad conditions and you're not catching fish, you can get pretty frustrated. So I'm just trying to stay calm and be positive. Like I said here in the video, you gotta be careful when you handle hardhead. Real sharp fins, they have a mild toxin on them, and when they poke you, it burns pretty bad. It's nothing too dangerous, but you're definitely not gonna have a good time. So I was trying to be real careful, didn't touch it, use the net to throw it back in. Safe for me, safe for the fish. After I caught this hardhead, I continued fishing and fishing and fishing, but the wind was getting a little too rough. I wasn't catching any more, getting any more bites, so I figured I was gonna call it a day. So started packing up. Time to get my sunburnt knees out of the sun and wind, get them in some shade. Thanks everybody for watching, for supporting YaK-off. Remember, go to YaK-oFF.fishing.com, get yourself some YaK-off apparel. And if you're in the Corpus Christi area and you're going fishing, make sure you stop here at Cosway Bait and Tackle. Get yourself some good live bait, fresh dead bait, or anything else you need for fishing. Till next time, everyone be safe on the water. Kayak safety is very important. Until next time, everybody take care and yak off.